the history of the welcome.
This is the first ever
Into assembly.
ASB Welcome Second Trip. Coming to you live from the capital. This is the first ever ASB Rockin' Sock'em Drive. For 3 weeks, our supporting you tributes have been fighting to be the sock victor.
Just donate, and you're only gonna get paid. Just donate.
The Navy District is ready to knock everybody's socks off.
If we donate, you donate with us. Thank you for your donations.
Now it all comes down to the final hours of the sock games.
May the socks be ever in your favor.
Good morning, prospects! Welcome to ASB's annual Provide Pep Assembly. I'm Leah Buer, and I'm happy to be here with you to conclude our Rock'em Sock'em All-School Sock Drive. Welcome, prospect. I'm Libby McDonough. This season, supporting you, Knight's Way and ASB teamed up to organize a sock drive, which began November 20th. We paired it forward by donating new socks to 3 local organizations. The Gray team collected socks for Northwest CASA, the Navy team collected socks for the Harbor, and the Columbia team collected socks for the Bridge. Now, just over there, our supporting you teams are currently catching their breath from their sprint to the Capitol Fieldhouse. These tributes are all hoping to give it one last shot in an effort to avoid the pie in the face. Yes, and to be clear, the team with the most socks will get pied at the end of today's assembly. And the battle isn't over yet. We still have some opportunities for these teams to collect more to pay it forward. So please, get on your feet as Kanan introduces our supporting you teams.
Representing the Columbia team, give it up for Mrs. Collins, Mr. Montesano, Ms. Smith, and Mr. Soderwall. Representing the Gray team, please welcome Mrs. Braun, Miss Brill, Mr. Franklin, Miss Porterani, and Mrs. Salzman. And let's give it up for the Navy team, represented by Mrs. Kofsky, Mrs. Sandberg, Mr. Tovar, Mrs. Villasenor, and Mr. Weiler.
Good morning, prospects. I'm senior Max Hargadine, and it's time for a little friendly competition. Now, every night is part of the prospects family, so I think it's only fitting if we play a little family feud.
Please give it up for your Gray team. Freshman Pat Stuggenberg, sophomore Anna Range, junior River Newstead, and senior Charlotte Wynn with staff member Dr. Tim Franklin.
Now the Columbia team, freshman Lexi Chatsis, sophomore Billy Ishu, junior Lydia Kahn, senior Ben Galbraith, and staff member Ms. Colleen Carroll.
And the Navy team, freshman Mary Kane, sophomore Nate Navia, junior Felix Luer, senior Dakota Simonico, and staff member Mr. Danny Weiler.
And a warm welcome to our scorekeeper, Mrs. Luca. Now, everyone listen closely as I go over these directions. One person from each team will come to the center table and buzz in to play that round. You can only speak if your buzzer goes off. If you win the toss-up, your team wins the category. And you take this survey question back to your team and see if you guys can guess the remaining blanks on the board. If your team says an answer that is not on the board, you will hear this sound. And if your team gets 2 answers that are not on the board, the other 2 teams will get 1 attempt to get on the board for extra points.
So, great team, Columbia team, Navy team. Please sign down your first contestants and may the odds be ever in your favor.
Question number 1. We surveyed 200 prospect students. What is the #1 holiday movie? Ben. Home Alone, and the survey says that's correct. Let's take it back to your team and see how you guys do. All right, so Columbia team. We're gonna work together to figure out the rest of the top 5 holiday movies. So we're gonna start here with Miss Carol. What do you think? Elf. The survey says that's correct. Now, Billy, what do you think? Time's ticking, Billy. The Grinch, and the survey says that's correct. Now here, what do you think? The Santa Claus, survey says no. All right, one more chance. What do you think? Christmas Vacation, survey says that's correct. Now, back to Ben. One more chance. What's the last movie on the list? And they say Polar Express, and the survey says that's correct. Columbia team with the sweep.
Nice. All right, let's get our second group of tributes up here for our second question. Okay. Serving 200 students, name the best local hill to go sledding on. All right, what do you think? Mellis. The survey says? All right, let's take it to your team. Lovey's on fire. All right. Okay, what is your answer for best local sledding on? Sunset Meadows. All right, what do you think? Heritage? All right, next one, what do you think? Sunrise. What do you think? Thomas Middle School. Alright, last chance for the last one. Alright, what do we think is the last question? The last answer. Clearwater.
All right, we're gonna bring down some teachers for a quick little game.
All right, over here, let's please welcome our first team. Schnell, Plate, Seibel, Camarandella, Skelton, and Stoltz.
All right, let's bring down team 2. Heilman, Bergquist, Van Hoy, Bosco, and Prospect. Let's please take a moment to give a standing ovation for our Bubler King, Teacher of the Year, J-Bo!
And finally, team 3 over here, we have Welter, Barnum, Tigton, Eisenstorff, Stug, and Abraham.
And teachers, I know you're asking, what are we doing on the mats? You are going to body spell. You have 2 minutes on the clock to spell the word that you are given with nothing but your bodies while laying flat on the mats.
And the winning team gets to put these socks in a box of their choice. Remember, the box with the most socks will get pied.
But the winner is chosen by the audience. So you guys, make sure you hold the pose. All right, teams, are you guys ready? Oh, they need this.
Teachers, take off your shoes.
No shoes on the mats,
Take off your
teachers.
shoes.
All right, teams, are there any questions? I don't hear any, Libby.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Do you recognize what they're spelling? Do you recognize what that team is spelling?
What do you guys think the word is over here?
I have no idea.
Yes?
You hear that, Navy? They don't know what you're spelling.
What do you guys think they're spelling over here? What do you think?
Test.
Yeah.
All right, what do you guys think this team's spelling? Sock. All right. Ooh. All right, who did it best? Guys, audience, who did it best? Team Gray? Team Columbia? Or Team Navy? All right, congratulations. You guys can relax now. And these socks are for you guys to distribute to the teams as you'd like.
Wow, that was amazing.
Thank you,
Good job to
teachers.
our incredible teachers. And let's get right back to round 2, Family Feud.
All right, teams, please send up your next 3 individuals. All right, we surveyed 200 students at Prospect for this list of answers. What did Prospect students say is the best place at school to lock in and study for finals? What's your answer? The KLC, and the survey says? That's correct. It's Columbia team again. All right, we'll start again with Miss Carol. What do you think? The Commons. That's correct. What's our next answer? What do we think? And we got the Ark. The survey says that's correct. What's our next guess? The Hub. Survey says correct. And for the clean sweep, once again, your study hall. Survey says that is correct. Columbia team once again.
Wow. All right, next round. Everyone send a representative from your team. All right, we surveyed 200 students. Name the type of sock that students wear the most at Prospect. All right, yeah, what do you think? Adidas. Okay, maybe. Crew sock. All right, let's go back to your team. All right, Franklin, what do you think? Ankle sock. Okay. Fuzzy sock. The survey says not that. Okay. Next guess. Quarter sock. Nice. All right, what's your next guess? Long sock. Okay, last one. What do we think? No show socks. Nice, great team.
All right, we'll tally the scores and we'll let you know the winner after a while. Thank you all. And now,
No, thank you.
Hold on a second. There's a fight. Miss S and CJ have been at odds since August over the closest parking spot in the staff lot. Miss S tends to beat Miss CJ by mere minutes every single day. She's had enough. It started with the hot summer months at the beginning of the school year. Now that the weather is getting colder, the rivalry has only gotten stronger. Who will win this showdown and claim the closest parking spot in the staff lot?
Only the socks can determine the winner. Whoever is able to pick up the most socks and put them in their hamper in 1 minute determines our parking spot victor. So let's keep track. 3, 2, 1, fight! socks.
And CJ has 19! And the highly coveted parking spot goes to CJ!
All right, our sumos are asked to donate their socks into whatever boxes they choose. Thank you, Mrs. S and CJ, for that incredible display of athleticism and competition.
Now, before the next part, we're going to announce the winners of the Family Feud, and to no one's surprise, it was the Columbia team. Now, Columbia team, these socks are for you to put in your bin, so come grab these.
All right, now you may be asking, who do you want to see pop?
Marching time.
The one time in the year we can do this and just take I know. Lily, you're not hugging anymore. Is it better?